having us here. आज मैं नहीं करूँगी शायरी की नहीं की है मैंने तैयारी, and that's the limit of the शायरी. But honestly, I just want to tell all of you people this afternoon that we've made this film with a lot of love, a lot of honesty, and I think it showcases a new side of all of us. You know, it's a soft film, it's a simple film, but it's a soul-hitting film. I also think that it's a story of inspiration that truly stands the test of time. I think today, in 2024, a film that's set in 1942 is as relevant because I'm hoping that it seeks to inspire our youth to never lose sight of the bigger goal in life. Always have your inner fortitude alive and just do or die, because honestly life's too short. So I really hope that you people watch the film. It's premiering, like Varun said, 21st March, so also midnight tomorrow night on Prime Video. So I hope that you accept our film that we have.
Sir, आप इधर आइए. मुझे पता है standing next to Lizelle, just being with Lizelle always 24/7 makes you very happy. But honestly, what makes you happy?
I think giving. किसी और को खुशी देना मेरे लिए.
Well, yeah. Remo, Abhishek, Nora, I must say the name of the film infuses positivity and something that all of us need more in our lives. I know that this is Remo sir's mantra. I have one simple question. What does it take for all of you all to be?
I think as an actor, it's the best Dharma movie to start with.
Well said. So guys, please support Abhay as well. It's his first big Dharma film, so support it as well. Thank you, Abhay. Thank you so much.
And absolutely incredible in the film. Thank you.
I think ladies first.
Start with the baby first.
My family, my passion, my dream, and yes, this makes me happy.
Great answer. Passion. Nora, you?
This is a very hard question because a lot of things make me happy, but I'd say good energy in any form possible, that makes me happy. And kids, I love kids, especially when they're dancing. They make me so happy. And money.
Okay,
that money.
It's a very honest answer. It's true.
I think being.
Abhishek, you? No, you cannot. You have to. The lead star.
Good afternoon, everyone. To answer your question, I think a good film makes me happy, and I really hope. I hope.
We'll also be part of this. Sala? Thank you so much. Thank you, team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Varun, our
Also, before we just go ahead, that's Abhay Varun.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Our next movie is about a small town, but with very big dreams. And it's aspiring.
You know, automatically, जब Remo sir picture बना रहे, I start feeling I'm also part of the film and I'm start standing. No, but I am. I really feel. So guys, be happy. It's coming on Prime Video. Let's hear it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye, Nora. See you. Bye.
अभिषेक क्या हॉस्पिटल से कपड़े घालना?
Well, he's made ABCD, ABCD 2, Street Dancer, so many films, and in all his films he's launched so many newcomers. I've been there. Every time this man has given a platform to so many newcomers, I've been there. So, you know, let's hear it for him.
Thank you.
Lizelle, आप producer हो. What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Saving money makes her happy.
Only money.
Low budgets, artists without tantrums makes her happy.
I think my family.
Family. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Should we just?
My director Vishal sir there, and I said, "ये क्या कर दिया?" मैंने कहा कहाँ से निकला ये सब? I don't think throughout the shoot of this film, any of us realize what we've put out there, because we've gone larger, deeper, more grassroots. We've picked up.
Things to freak us out. So I just want to know, like.
I don't watch a lot of horror. I get very scared. I watch it like this. So when they said, you know, would you like to be a part of a horror film? It was definitely a departure for me.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations, Shreya. Baman sir, yes, I was just saying that you're such a good actor that you would have played the role of the father, the son, and actually even the dead mother. It's possible.
Holy Ghost.
Yeah. Which would have been the toughest part for you, actually, if you had to play any of these?
Toughest part this time was to write and direct, honestly. Yeah. I need to say something before you ask me any of your questions. First of all, congratulations to all 40 releases this year, and congratulations to Amazon for putting on such an amazing show. Wish each and every team of each and every show, each and every film the very best. Now I realize what it takes to make a movie. But I've got a small story to tell.
Please go ahead.
I've been told I've got 1.5 hours on stage.
Yes, sir,
so I'm going to
go
use
ahead.
at least 1 hour.
These guys have been sitting here just for 5 minutes. You just got it started.
Many years ago, I met this person in production in a film that I was doing, a young girl. She's still a very young girl. And she said, and I narrated a one-liner to her, and she says, whenever you make this movie, I want to work with you on it. When many years passed, I finally wrote the movie with Alex Dinelaris, a friend, an Oscar-winning writer, the guy who wrote Birdman, who co-wrote this film with me. And then finally, of all the strangest things to happen, that young girl, that person who was in production in another film, who wanted to work with me, actually greenlit this film, and that's this wonderful Aparna. Give her a big hand. And it's so serendipitous, Aparna, for this to happen. I would not have it any other way. God bless you. God bless Amazon for doing this. Now you can ask your question.
The moral of the story is make friends with young people.
Good one. Good one.
No, I'm kidding. But I've also been hearing that you wanted to direct for a while. I've chatted with you about this, and I can see the passion oozing out of every frame. It looks absolutely stunning. So well done, Baman. So I'm really looking forward to it. Avinash and Shreya, what was it like to be part of this Mehta family?
It started off with the script, and one really felt very privileged to be part of a script like this. It's written by Alex, the guy who wrote Birdman. The script actually came with Academy Award winner writer Alex Dinelaris. You know, it just kind of makes you feel you want to be part of it. Baman sir directing it. I think once you read the script, you feel that if you call yourself an artist, you cannot not do this film. And that's what I felt for it. And hopefully when people see it, it will make more sense what I said.
Sure they will, brother. What about you, Shreya?
For me, it was absolutely phenomenal. And why is because this was one set which during pre-production, shoot, post-production, every single day, every cast and crew member worked with a big smile. And all that credit goes to this gentleman standing right here, Baman Irani. And there's a reason he's the most loved person in our industry, and I got to witness that and learn from that, so I feel very, very grateful.
That's true, that's definitely true. Thank you guys. Can we have a picture with everyone?
That's my son Danesh, producer on this film, and our co-producer Ankita Batra from Chalkboard. This is an Irani movie joint production. Thank you very much for your love and warmth. Let's have a picture.
Come close, Center. Varun sir, center here, sir. Look center. Hi. Shreyas.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
everyone.
जाना साथ में
Varun.
Thank you guys. पति हंसा रहा है, बीवी डरा रही है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है पब्लिक को. Thank you Nusrat, thank you so much. Looks amazing. Vikram, I'll have you stay back. Thank you, all the best guys. अभी अपना जो next announcement होने वाला है.
But we've done that through horror, and oh my god, like I literally don't know what we've put out there, but it's just it's a big monster, like a big monster we've done this time.
So what about you? I mean,
कपूर साहब सेंटर, सुबेदार सेंटर. राकेश सर का आवाज आया.
Thank you so much, Team Subedar. Really looking forward to it.
Your last film, which was also on Prime Video, Jalsa, featured a crime that got solved in the most twisted way possible. What twists and turns are you planning to serve in Subedar?
हाँ, मतलब कुणाल को रात को नींद आती है या अभी ऐसे करते हो रात को. So Nusrat Soha, the first installment of the movie was quite the conversation starter as it touched upon a very important subject. But it was also such an interesting mix of entertainment and horror. What's in store for audiences this time around, the second installment?
You know, when we started working on the second installment, none of us had any clue what we were going to do. We didn't know what is going to be in store for the audiences, but we just finished the film.